Welcome to aminacademy.com. In electrical engineering regarding equivalent resistance, let us do some solving problem. Look at this network. Find the equivalent resistance of the following setup along AB, along CD, along EF, along AF, along AC. That means in different position, we have to find the equivalent resistance. First, along A to B. Here, the resistance given are all ohms 2, 4, 1, 6, and 2. Here you have to find along A to B means like here first this 4 and 2 is in series, so it becomes 6 here, already 6 here, 1. Here next position, here therefore then this is 2 series here, 2 parallels, so 6 and 6 parallel gives 3. So we have this 1, though this is 3, this 1, and this is 2. Now here also along A to B, then 2 and 3 is series, so it is 5 addition, that is 1. So 1 and 5 is a parallel, so it gives 5 over 6. That is A to B is 5 over 6 ohm. Next question, C to D. Here C to D, there are 3 parallel circuit here. Then 2 and 1 is here 3, and this is 6, this is 2 ohms. These are 3, 6 and 2. Then C to D we are doing. Here there are 3 parallel paths C to D, that is CD itself and CD itself of 6 ohm, and CEFD is 4 and 2 6 ohm, and CABD is 2 plus 1 3 ohm. Like that, it has been shown that separately in figure that equivalent resistance RCD is here 3 6 here. This is 4 and 2 is 6 here. Therefore 3 parallels here, 3 parallel to 6 parallel to 6. Here 3 things parallel gives 1.5 by calculation. See, we know the calculation, that is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6, 1 over 6, then add and give the reciprocal, it gives 1.5. C to D. And E to F. E to F is, look at here, this way. E to F means this is 3, here 1 and 2 here, first, that means here 1 and 2 is 3, and here 6 already given because 4 and 2 is 6. That means here we can 4 and 2 is 6 here. Now first these two things are 3 and 6 is parallel. 3 and 6 is parallel gives 3 and 6 is parallel, can get it, look at here, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 6 is an LCM, question is 3, that is 2. Reciprocal is 6 by 3 is 2. So we have a 3, 6, 2. This is equal 3, 6 and 4 and 2 is 6. So now 3, 6 and here 3, 6, 6. So the total is 3 and 6 is total is 2 and it becomes simply is 6 and 2. We have to find EF. So which gives 1.5. 1.5 ohm. Next T and F. Next is A to F. A to F is first here 1, 2, 4, 6 and 2. Second it becomes here this is 2, 1, 4 and 2 is 6 here. This 4 and 2 becomes series 6 and this 6 already here. Next is we have to find A to F. For that we have 1, 2 and 3. This is F. Then A to F is here, this side is 1, this 2 and 3 is 5. And 1 and 5 gives 5 over 6. 5 over 6 ohm. A to F. Then A to C. Then A to C here, that is 1, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 2 ohm. Here A to C you have to find. Then A to C means here 6, 4 and 2 is 6 here. And This also 6, then this become 1. Here further it is 1, this is 2, 1, 2 and 3 here, because this 4 and 6 is this, not 4 here, this 4, 4 into 6 here. This we are adding with the 2, that 4 and 6. Now this 6 and 6 is 6 and 6 is parallel. Use 3. So this become 3. Then 1 and 3 is in series. 1 and 3, and we can say A, C, that is 1 and 3. Here it's 1. It's 1. It is 5 here. Then next 1 and 5 is, here we have A and B. Here 1, 6, 6, 1 and 3, and 1 and 5, that is 5 over 6. Here RCD is 3. RCD is 3. Then RAC. RAC means from this to this is 2 and 4. You directly come out with this. RAC is 2. 2 parallel to 4. 2 parallel 4, which gives 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 equal 4, 3 by 4, then 4 by 3, which gives 4 by 3 ohms. That is RAC here. AC equal 4 over 3 ohms. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.